Hello everyone. On this video, I'm gonna try how to set up project on Laravel on Arsenal. And this video, I'm gonna use Laravel 12. Yeah, version Laravel 12. And I'm gonna use some PP for run application for on local server. Yeah, this is easy to set up project Laravel on Arsenal. Okay, first you can download some PP if you can download and install some PP. Let me show you how to install a lot of some PP on Asunux. Okay, this you can open your terminal and open your folder download. And yeah, okay, this is I use some PP version 8.2.12. How install some PP is you can enter that command line with command line sudo chmod uh plus x and name of file some PP. You can press enter, enter your password. Okay, the actually this is command to make chmod or some PV, and you can enter command line with to install it sudo dot slash some PV, and this is gonna run to install some PP. Yeah, this is gonna pop up with setup some PP. You can forward and forward to. Yeah, because I already installed, I'm gonna cancel that. I'm gonna cancel this. Yeah, don't forget to install other packets with uh packets name with support with packets sudo pacman like you can install packets lib, or I can copy paste this with scan with the second. Yeah, you can install packets compat if not if you not have this package, you can install it. And and you can install package tools too. This gonna need require to run some PP. If you already installed the packets, you can you can start some PP. Yeah, you can start uh, some PP. You can you can enter command like this to start some PP sudo save opt rep plan and and star aperture. Yeah, star aperture, like, what is star aperture? sudo apt lamp. I forget to and to yeah, this is gonna starting Apache. And don't forget to install your SQL too. Sudo apt lamp slash lamp start MySQL. Yeah, this is already run. And you can start Apache with this command sudo apt lamp script and some pp to start. Okay. If you want stop or restart, you can add stop option stop in command line and or restart like this. Because this command line is gonna restart your Apache server or not Apache, maybe some application, some BP application. Okay, you can check that on browser. You can access maybe localhost PHP my admin. And this is Apache run server is work to run local. And you can make a new database like this. Can I create this database access with some other name? Yeah, it's gonna work. Okay, with XAMPP already installed, you can install Laravel project. And don't forget to install Composer. Composer is what is that called? It's like npm on yeah npm to this is a manager a dependency manager for PHP. It's like not in JavaScript. That you can install it like command like you can enter command line like this sudo pacman read as composer and you can start it. I use composer with version 2.8 is composer is this is a new version composer. If you already install it, you can check like composer version like this, composer in V, and this is yeah version 2.8. This is no version. Okay, you can already. Oh yeah, I forget to tell you. Uh, because I gonna run to project Laravel with some PP. I'm gonna use PHP from some PP. And don't forget to add pets pets for PHP. Yeah, so from yeah add PHP add pets PHP from some PP. And yeah, open you log not on local maybe yeah open you directory home. You can check iOS strip A like this and open your bash C maybe. I'm gonna open my base film bash RC file to add paths for PHP. PHP maybe. And yeah, this don't forget to add this maybe this pet export pet trap opt save plan save bin dot pet dollar pet. This gonna add PHP pet from XAMPP. Okay, I already add and uh, and you can enter VWV and Q to exit right and save the file. And yeah, that's it. You can add a Laravel project. I'm gonna open my folder download again, and yeah, I'm gonna to my project Laravel 12 maybe, and getting start installation, composer global requirement. I'm gonna not use like I just use my command like this. I just copy this. With not which this. Okay, this is example app. Composer create project Laravel slash Laravel example app. With this command line, you can make a new project Laravel. Yeah, this is gonna download Laravel version 12. This is gonna make a little bit time. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna open my project with a cd my folder project example app. This is gonna my use my IDE with and neofilm. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna try to add database with my SQL with some purpose. I'm gonna change this with my SQL, and I'm gonna uncomment this line and this line. Okay, and database. I'm gonna add my new database first, maybe, and I'm gonna save. Okay, let me add my new database first, and I'm gonna run to this project Laravel with command line. See, now open my folder project and to run this project with PHP artisan serve. Yeah, this is gonna open local. I mean on port 18. Yeah, this is gonna make. Oh yeah, I forget to migrate migrate to my database. Let let me pair artisan migrates maybe. Yeah, gonna run again nih server refresh. Okay, this is work with Laravel 12, and this is okay. That's it for this video. I hope this video maybe this video gonna help you or no. And sorry if my English is not good. I hope you understand it, and see you on this video. On see you in the next video. Bye.